Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Well, I can remember breaking into the trades. The flooring contractor that I first aligned myself with would hand me warranty stuff to hand the clients, and I'd read it and then say, well, this manufacturer says you should vacuum once a day, and in high traffic areas twice a day. I would tell you there's a lot of times I did not hand that warranty information to the homeowner.
And I have had a skeptical view of a lot of that in the past. I do agree, vacuuming your carpet 2 or 3 times a week in high traffic areas, absolutely important.
And it takes a good vacuum.
It does. It does. The other thing that industry now requires is to have your carpet professionally cleaned with a truck-mounted steam cleaning system every 18 months.
That's required to maintain your warranty.
It is. Industry-wide, pretty well. There's a clearinghouse. We have a website we can direct you to, and it talks the procedures of how to clean crayons, how to clean different things.
Yeah.
You can imagine what gets spilled on carpet.
Sure.
So they have those procedures that are basically really easy to tap into on the website, but then they also have real specific details. The reason is that the carpet, to get the soils to release from sticking to the carpet, you need a temperature upwards of 190 degrees.
Oh.
And out of your tap is what, 125,
right, yeah.
30-ish?
Yeah.
So it's never going to get clean enough if you use a little machine from the grocery store on a weekend. So the carpet mills got to that point where they said you have to have a truck-mounted steam cleaning system, and they have some certifications that they like to see.
And then you need to show proof you've had this done to follow through with a carpet warranty issue.
Right. We average 1 install of carpet a day, so 300 a year on an average. We may have 1 or 2 claims in that calendar period. And it's usually a abuse issue or neglect. Or a lady, for example, had a pet who made a real serious spill, and she got on her hands and knees with a scrub brush, and before you knew it, she had released the backings, and it delaminated basically, and it was a real issue. But we got to look into it further, and the carpet mill was willing to say, we'll guarantee that carpet did not change color from the pet, but all the other abuse that came with it, trying to clean it up.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.